Okay, today we're going to compare these two oil filters. The Carquest Premium Oil Filter 85515 against the Purolator One PL30001 oil filter. And you can get these at Advanced Auto Parts for $8.99. And these guys are going to duke it out, and we'll see which one's a better oil filter. So let's get started. Except for it's supposed to get a get your inner ear filtration of 99 here. What's that? Medium, 99% filtration efficiency. Okay, so let's start with the Purolator One, and we'll start with the box. It's rated for 10,000 miles, 99% efficiency, and if you check their website, that's at 20 microns. Filter media is a synthetic blend. And I've opened up this filter in the past and made a video of it. And I've also made a video of the Carquest probably over a year ago. So this guy's been open for a long time. And this one probably a couple months. And we're going to compare these two oil filters. Let's get their weights first and see if they're the same thing. Okay, 14.9 ounces. And the Carquest 14.8 ounces. That's pretty close. Sometimes it doesn't take much to tip the scale there. Okay, now let's see the base plates. See, I cut this one open a long time ago before I got my tool, my cutting tool. I used to cut them with a grinder, so cut off wheel. But you can tell they're the same. If you look at these guys, they're the same. They're probably not going to weigh the same because the metal is probably more metal on this Carquest. 6.1 ounces. Yeah, they're the same. Look at that. But the only difference is the O-rings on this one. This has got a PTFE coating on it. And this is just the regular nitro rubber. But that's it. It's not much of a difference anyways. Otherwise, they're exactly the same. With the threads. Same amount of threads. Just different color. 6 inlet holes. They're same thing. Okay, and then we'll check the anti-drain back valve, silicone. Same thing. Okay, the filter media. See, this one I cut open and stretched it out. And this one had 50 pleats on it when it was whole. Okay, and this one, I counted it today, and it has 47 pleats. But this is the way the Purolator One looked like. This is the Carquest. There you go. You know, I should just stretch these out, and but I want you to see what it looks like when the Purolator was together. It looked like this. It had a string on it also, I believe. But it had the Purolator had 50 pleats, and this one's got 47. So there's 3 pleats missing on this one. Strange. Yeah, let's get a width while we're here, anyways. .59. 3.09. 3.96. Okay. And yeah. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut this open, stretch her out, and see if she's the same as this Purolator One. Yeah, so I'll take this baby and cut her open. Be right back. Okay, here they are all stretched out. And the Purolator is 70.5 inches long. And the Carquest has 3 less pleats, is 66.5 inches long. But these filter medias are identical. Okay, so here they are, and here's the seams. And I can safely say that both of these filter medias are the same. The only difference is this is the Carquest. This is the Purolator One. The Carquest is 4 inches shorter and has 3 less pleats. Perhaps if you open up another oil filter, you'd have the same amount. I don't know. Maybe someday I'll check that out. But I can safely say the filter medias are the same. They feel the same. They look the same. Just the length is different. That's all. Both of these filters fit the same vehicles. You know, they got the same anti-drainback valves. They got the same stamp leaf springs. These are identical. Same metal cores. They're exactly the same. The bypass valve setting on the Purolator is 8 to 18 psi. So I'm just gonna assume that the Carquest is the same thing. And the Purolator is rated for 10,000 miles. So I'm going to assume that this Carquest can go for 10,000 miles also, because it's the same thing. Same filter. They're exactly the same, folks. Yeah, that's why I made the video. I just figured, you know, you go to your Advanced Auto store and you're looking for your Purolator One. Say you like Purolator One oil filters. Well, if they don't have it, you can always go with the Carquest Blue. Pretty sure they're the same filters. You guys can be the judges by looking at them. So I think I'll wrap this one up. Don't forget about Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.